So here's some things that you can keep in mind if we're talking about Remitly refunds. Basically have to check the return status first things first. Go to Remitly account, see where your return is at this point. For card payments, refunds usually take 3 to 5 business days. For bank account payments, they can take up to 10 business days. You have to talk to the customer support then. If the time of getting return has passed, call Remitly's customer support, and there's the number, which you can see right now on the screen. I can even zoom in for you. There is the number. Give your transfer reference number and then other information to help people get back to you faster. Now we have to keep an eye on your bank account. Pay attention to your bank account or credit card account for the amount you get back. Now, these accounts could be updated every single day depending on when they are updated. For example, you might not receive the money right now or thought that you did not receive it, but if you check the other day, you can see the money's back. So depending on how your bank operates and how your bank updates you on the application, then it really might be just a you problem then. But if the problem remains unresolved, consider filing a complaint on XOV to raise awareness about the issue and inform others.